Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while since I made a YouTube video, but I am finally here and I am finally doing my first review video. I have been meaning to do one of these for so long, and I initially planned to do it with Shein because it was a brand that I was working with for so long and I really like some of the clothes, but I saw that there are a lot of videos that already exist about Shein and people already know a lot about this website. So I decided to go ahead and do this with a newer website that I discovered, and it's called Dresswel. And oh my god, I really like the clothes. So I mean, the quality is quite nice. It's quite similar to what you think you're gonna get from, like, you know, what they show on the website and what you actually get. It's quite similar, so I'm a big fan of a situation like that because I don't like surprises. I don't like ordering something super beautiful on the website and then getting something not so pretty. Let's just dive right into it. I have called for a bunch of summer essentials like t-shirts, summer dresses, swimsuits. I'm also going to try on everything so that you can see how it fits and you can get an idea. I wear a size small, and so if your body type is like mine, then I think small should be good for you. It's quite true to the size in terms of the t-shirts and the dresses, but well, the swimsuits are a little dicey when it comes to the size because I mean, I ordered for something that I thought would fit me based on what it said on the website, but it's actually a little too small. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna start with the t-shirts first and show you what I called for and what I got. This is what I called for and this is what I got. It's quite nice, you know. I mean, the quality is really nice. It stretches a little, so it has a bit of, you know, breathing space, and I mean, it's quite thick. It's not like a really thin fabric or very see-through fabric. It's really nice, and the print on it is also quite nice. I don't think you should put it in the washing machine, and if you do, then just turn it inside out and put it and it should be fine. So this is one of the t-shirts I called for because well, obviously, so apparently I'm dramatic. I called for another t-shirt that matches my passive-aggressive nature, and this is it. Even this obviously is really good quality, and I mean, I really feel this. I feel this a lot, which is why I knew I needed this t-shirt. I called for another one, again passive-aggressive. I think they specialize in passive-aggressive t-shirts, so if you like witty stuff like this, or if you are a sarcastic person like me, then I think this website is something that you need to check out. Because look, oh my god, is this not adorable? Keep rolling your eyes, bitch. Maybe you'll find a brain back there. I mean, it sounds like something I would say or something I would do because I'm always constantly rolling my eyes. Apart from that, I called for a shirt. Now, this shirt is not exactly what it's supposed to be, I think, because look, this is what it is. It's a little too short compared to what I ordered. I mean, I did not think it would be so short, but it's nice. It's nice. The quality is really nice. I have the swimsuit here, so that's what I called for. And here is what I got. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. This is the shirt. I mean, I don't think you can really understand it, but it is really tiny. The bottoms are, well, the bottoms are fine. They're perfect, true to size. I will try it out so you can see what it looks like and why I think it's a little too small. I also called for a few dresses, like I said, and here is the first one. It's quite nice. It's polyester, not, I mean, it's not cotton, but it works. I think for Paris this is good because it's not exactly as hot as it is in Bombay, so for Paris this is good, but for Bombay this may be a little too hot. I don't know, but it looks like the picture. Doesn't exactly fit so well, but I mean, I don't know, maybe it's because I and the model have a different body type. And I called for this. This is, I think, my favorite. It's so cute. Again, it is polyester, so it may be a little too hot for Bombay, but for Paris it's perfect. So if you're planning a trip to, I don't know, Europe, then for a European summer these dresses are really nice. So this is the first t-shirt and I think it looks super cute. I think it fits really well also, super casual, and I don't know, I really like it. It's very comfy. You can insert it a little, like just halfway, and keep it like that for a better look maybe, but I think I like it even just the way it is. So I really like this one also. I mean, I think the t-shirts are so interesting because of what's on them that it doesn't matter. I mean, nothing else really matters, and the quality is really nice, so I feel like wearing it. I mean, yeah, this one you can like tie up or just like fold in like that. I love doing this. It makes the t-shirt look so adorable. Of course, I like this one also. Again, not necessarily because of anything else besides what's written on this t-shirt, and again you could half put it in just to make it look a little sexier, but you could just keep it how it is. I think it looks nice both ways. Let me know what you think. So this is how I think I would wear it, because, well, I mean, if I do this and you know I actually put the buttons, I don't know. I mean, I'm not really into this crop shirt look, even though the quality is super nice. I have nothing against it, but it's like, I mean, I think it's just way better if I just like unbuttoned it like that and tied it up. Just like that. So maybe if you order this one, order one size big. I hope it will be longer. I think the color is really nice. I think the quality is really nice. I mean, look. So, I mean, it can look nice. Everything can look nice. You just have to modify it a little. Which one did you like the best? There, so you can see the full dress. Oh, it's so cute. I really like it. It's like, I don't know. It has this little drawstring sort of tie-up on it, which I really like. I think it's so cute. And here, just so you can have a closer look at the complete outfit. What do you think? So, I mean, I think it's quite cute. It's a little bit of a backless tie-up situation. I don't know if it fits me that well. It doesn't look as good as it did on the website when I actually wear it in person. Like, you see for yourself. And if I come closer, this section, I think you need to put like a few pins in there just to make it stay and look nice. I don't know, you tell me. There, see? Isn't it super cute? I think I really like this situation. Even though it's a little small for me, I think. I'm not sure. But overall, I think it's so cute. What do you think? The back's really cool also. That was all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and that I was able to provide you with some insights regarding this website so that you could go ahead and order from there. I mean, now that you know what the products are like, at least a little, because of this video. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I've also linked the website for Dresswel in the description box so that you can go check out the website for yourself and order some witty t-shirts for yourself. Do not forget to hit on that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so that I can keep doing this more regularly.